In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send campaign marketing with Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process of creating and sending a one-time marketing email, often called a single send, using the Sendgrid dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently launch your campaign. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, start by heading over to the left-hand sidebar. Look for the section labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your marketing tools live, including contact lists, segments, and of course, your email campaigns. Within the marketing section, find and select Single Sends. This is the feature you use for one-off campaigns, like announcements, promotions, or newsletters that are not part of an automated series. In the top right corner, click the Create Single Send button. This opens up the setup flow for a new campaign. The first thing Sendgrid will ask you to do is select a template. Here you can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, one of your own saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you want full control. If you're new, using a pre-built design is a great way to speed things up and ensure your email looks polished. Next, choose the Design Editor option. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor and is usually the easiest way to customize your email visually without touching code. It lets you modify text, images, buttons, and layout directly on the canvas. Before you dive too deep into the content, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here you'll configure a few key details. First, choose your From sender. This needs to be a verified sender email in your account, which helps with deliverability and keeps you compliant with email regulations. Then, enter a clear, compelling subject line that matches the content of your email. After that, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want to target. Lists are broader groups of contacts, while segments can be more specific, like people who opened a previous email or customers in a certain region. Now move back into the editor to design your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, or social links. Keep your layout clean, make your main message easy to scan, and include a clear call to action. When you're happy with everything, click Review Details and Send. Here you can double-check your settings, preview the email, and either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time that works best for your audience. Once you confirm, your Sendgrid single send campaign is ready to go.